Routinely cleaning your Electrolux gas cooktop will help keep your appliance looking and performing its best. Here are a few tips to get you started. Always make sure your cooktop is cool prior to cleaning. To clean your cooktop's control panel, use a soft, clean cloth with mild cleaner. Dry with a clean cloth. Other liquid cleaners, abrasive cleaners, and scouring pads and paper towels can damage the finish on the control panel and display. Note: do not spray liquids directly on the control panel or display area. Use a clean, damp cloth and wipe and dry the area clean. Now, let's clean the cooktop grates, burner caps, and burner heads. To clean your cooktop grates, remove the left and right grates first, followed by the middle grate. Clean the grates using warm water. Wipe it with a soft cloth. Dry the grates thoroughly immediately following cleaning. To clean your burner caps, first remove them from the burner head. Clean them using warm, soapy water and dry them immediately. Note: do not allow food spills with high sugar or acid content to remain on grates and caps. This may cause a dull spot even after cleaning. Clean these spills as soon as the surface cools. To clean the burner head, remove it from the burner orifice and wash it with warm, soapy water. Dry the head thoroughly. For burnt-on and dried spills, apply warm, soapy water to the burner head to allow time for the soils to soften. Wipe it with a soft cloth, sponge, or scratch-free cleaning pad and dry completely before replacing. Remember to wipe out the burner orifice with a clean cloth before replacing any parts. Finally, return the burner heads, caps, and grates to your cooktop. Now that you've finished cleaning all the different areas on your cooktop, it will be ready for making your next delicious dish. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.